If you've ever had sciatica, you know how painful it can be. The pain often starts in the lower back and can shoot down the back of the buttock and into the leg. Many people try stretching or resting, but sometimes the pain just keeps on coming back. And today, I want to show you one exercise that can sometimes help relieve the pressure on the sciatic nerve and reduce irritation. Look, as someone who went through a very tough bout of sciatica years ago, this was my single go-to exercise. Hello, I'm Dr. Grant Cooper. I'm the co-founder and the co-director of Princeton Spine and Joint Center in Princeton, New Jersey. In our office, we specialize in treating spine and joint conditions without surgery whenever possible. Sciatica is one of the most common conditions that we see on a daily basis. While every case is different, there is one simple movement that often helps patients reduce their symptoms. And here's the exercise. It is the sciatic nerve glide. Sometimes this exercise is also referred to as nerve flossing. The goal of this movement is to help the sciatic nerve move more freely through the surrounding tissues. When a nerve becomes irritated, it can sometimes become sensitive to movement, and sometimes adhesions, scar tissue, will develop around the nerve. Gentle nerve gliding can help to reduce that irritation and that friction. Now, how do you perform this incredible exercise? Well, here's how you do it. Lie flat on your back, on the floor, or on a firm bed. Keep both legs straight initially. Relax your shoulders and keep your head resting comfortably on the surface. Now, bend the hip and the knee on the affected side and bring the knee toward your chest. Place both hands behind the thigh. Don't put your hands behind the knee. You're just behind the thigh to support the leg. Now, slowly straighten the knee so the leg moves upward toward the ceiling. At the same time, flex your ankle by pulling your toes toward your face. Once you feel a gentle stretch or nerve tension, stop. You don't want to push through this pain. Then, slowly bend the knee again and relax the ankle. Return to the starting position. And you're going to want to perform this exercise with 10 to 15 gentle repetitions. Try to repeat at least 2 to 3 sets per day. Now, there are some important tips. The movement should feel like a gentle sliding or stretching sensation. It shouldn't be reproducing or producing sharp pain. You want to move slowly and smoothly. If symptoms do worsen, stop the exercise and consult your doctor or a physical therapist. The motion here should always be slow. It should always be controlled. Now, why does this exercise help so many people? Well, the sciatic nerve is the largest nerve in the body, running from the lower part of your spine down the back of the leg. When the nerve becomes irritated by a disc problem or from surrounding inflammation, the movement can sometimes feel painful. When this happens, exercises like nerve glides help the nerve to move more smoothly within its normal pathway. And that can sometimes reduce irritation, reduce inflammation, and improve symptoms. So to recap, one exercise that may help relieve sciatica, and the one that helped me personally a lot when I had my own tough bout of sciatica, is the sciatic nerve glide. It's a gentle movement that encourages the nerve to be able to move more freely and without pain. Try performing the exercise slowly and carefully for about 10 to 15 repetitions, 2 to 3 times per day. Like, the encouraging news here is that most cases of sciatica will improve over time without surgery and with the right combination of conservative treatment and exercise. Now, understanding which movements help and which movements may aggravate symptoms is an important step toward relief. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. We regularly post videos about back pain, sciatica, therapeutic exercises, and spinal health, as well as the latest in non-surgical treatments. As always, I wish you all the very best of health. Thank you so much for watching.